I hope everyone is having a fantastic Friday. Thank you so much for being here. I am super excited. We do have a new subscription, as you can see from the description down below, and that is GiggleBake. It is a yummy goodness subscription. You know, it's baked goods and just all kinds of yummy stuff. I'm super excited to dive in here and show you guys. So I did go ahead and just cut it because it's really just my address on the top. This is what it looks like when you open it. How cute is that? The tissue paper, their sticker with the logo. So we will get into this in just a minute. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out, sign up. I have no idea what is in this box, so I'm super excited. I do know from the pictures on their website that it looks amazing. Everything looks super yummy. So I have a strong feeling we're going to have some really awesome goodness in this box. It is $65 a month for the monthly surprise box. They do have other options that you can purchase. So I am just ready to dive in here. It is Christopher's first day of summer vacation, so I'm sure there's probably something in here he will absolutely enjoy, as will my husband and myself. So let's dive in, see what GiggleBake is all about. Like I said, I will put a link to their website down below, so definitely head over, check them out. I do want to say thank you to GiggleBake. They did very kindly send this to me for review to share with you guys, so I do greatly appreciate that. But let's get to unboxing and seeing all the goodness. I think the tissue paper is super adorable. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, so there is a reason there was ice cream all over the tissue paper. The theme for June 2019 is ice cream social. Oh my goodness. And then it looks like on the back we have our menu, so it will tell us everything that is in the box. And it says, part of us feels like just letting the photo speak for itself, but the other part is sort of mouthy. Guess who wins? Summer's here, and as we all know, unless you're in Wyoming and it's still snowing, for the rest of us, taking any icy sweet break is definitely called for every now and then. So we wanted to devote this box to all things we could think of that went great with a scoop or two or three of ice cream. So this box has all the fixins. All you have to do is supply the good stuff. And then it says, turn me over for your menu. And you can follow GiggleBake on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Their website is www.gigglebake.com. Like I said, I will leave that down below. But we will definitely go over here our menu for June 2019. And it says, don't forget, GiggleBakes are made of the good stuff, and that means no preservatives or weird stuff. So be sure to enjoy your goodies without delay. All right, you guys. So there's something here. Cake Sickles ingredients. So maybe this tells us about everything that's, oh my gosh. This is like packed. Okay. First of all, the presentation of this box is phenomenal. Can you guys see all of this goodness? Like, I'm seeing little jars that look like they have ribbon on them, some kind of gummy candy. We've got, looks like little sponge cake. Oh my gosh, can you guys see how beautiful that is? Like, I don't really even want to like take anything out because the presentation is so gorgeous. Oh, and the tissue paper, I love that the tissue paper has the ice cream on it, with ice cream social being the theme. But let's get in here. Let's see exactly what we have. Okay. So I think this May, I'm just going to take a quick peek at this, but I'm wondering if this is going to kind of tell us about some of the ingredients and stuff in some of the items. And I think it does. Yeah. Okay. So that is awesome. So we have these cards here that tell us about all of the ingredients, which is super awesome. I really like that they included that. I think that is a fantastic touch. All right, so to the goodies. The first thing catching my eye, I am taking this guy right here out, is this original Carlsbad of Lawton with lemon right here. The original Carlsbad of Lawton fan wafers in lemon. You've had them before in those fancy sundaes and desserts in restaurants that have the common sense to serve only ice cream. Now you can enjoy them at home. Okay, so that's awesome. So it's like a lemon wafer. And what is so fantastic is, yay! My globe in for June or for May actually, I'm sorry, was the Delish box. So I have like the fancy ice cream sundae glasses and the dishes for the toppings. So I'm going to be able to put that to use. I'm so excited. So we have that right there. That is awesome. All right. And then we have here. Oh, this is so cute. This is ice cream cone sprinkles from Fancy Sprinkles. We saw them and we had to have them to share with you. A great sundae topping, or a heck, just eat them by the handful. And they do look so yummy. They almost look like candy corn, like texture-wise. So I'm not sure if that's what they're gonna be texturally, but I know the flavor is probably not candy corn. But they are so cute. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to go next. Okay. So then here, what is this? All Better Sauce. Midnight Fudge Sundae sauce. And you guys, look at how cute. Oh, there's another. Okay, so there's two sauces. Oh, this is so beautiful. Sauce of the Gods, caramel sundae sauce. So we have a hot fudge and a caramel, and again, just look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness. We are going to be having some ice cream sundaes for sure. Okay, so it says Sauce of the Gods and All Better Sauce. As y'all know, we're huge lovers of caramel and chocolate, so what could be more appropriate for this box than our signature Sauce of the Gods caramel and our dark, and we mean really dark, fudge All Better Sauce. Heat these up a tad in your microwave and pour over your ice cream confection. You won't be sorry. Ooh. Okay. And then we have got... That's cute. So we have two of these. It says, hilarious hint, I'm better if you warm me up. But we have two little brownie bowls. You can see they're like dipped in. So you can put like a scoop of ice cream in them. And there are two of them. And it says, two kinds of quality Guittard chocolate delivers a double dose of deliciousness. Shaped as shortcake bowls, the only thing missing is a big scoop of vanilla ice cream and a bit of caramel sauce. We suggest a little nuking first, nothing like warm brownies. I had to like read that. I'm like, huh? Oh, gosh, this is going to be fantastic. Okay. I don't know who's going to be more excited, Christopher or me. All right, so then we have, oh my gosh, I don't know what this is. but it looks absolutely amazing. Bars of berries, raspberry, blackberry, and strawberry cookie bars. Oh, that sounds so amazing. Count them, 3 types of fresh berries are accompanied with a rich, buttery crust and crumble topping. A blend of flavors that can only be exceeded by adding a big honkin' scoop of vanilla ice cream. Okay, maybe it won't honk, but you get the picture. And you know how good that's gonna be with the vanilla ice cream in the summer. Berries, that freshness and tart with the sweet. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay. And then we have something so cute again. Their presentation to me is phenomenal. Like, to take the time and hand tie these little ribbons and it's amazing. These are Neapolitan Cookies, so strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. My husband will probably enjoy these because Neapolitan is his favorite ice cream. A layer of strawberry, a layer of vanilla, and another of chocolate. These adorable Neapolitan cookies make a terrific garnish for your bowl of 6 ice cream scoops. And that is about how many he puts in a bowl of ice cream. My husband is not afraid to indulge in the ice cream. But you can see there the strawberry, the vanilla, and chocolate. Do those not look absolutely delicious? Oh my goodness. And then we have 2 things left that, like, I don't even know if I want to touch because they're so gorgeous. Chill me first to enjoy me most. Are these not beautiful? And these are cake Sickles, lemon pound cake with, I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, Guittard white chocolate coating. Oh my gosh. And they are so beautiful, you guys. And I bet chilled. Oh yes. Okay, let's see what they say about these. Cake Sickles. Cute, huh? We thought so. These cake Sickles were just to throw you off. They're not really ice cream, but they are delish lemon cake coated in that guittard, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, white chocolate with a few fancy sprinkles tossed around. We suggest chilling them before eating. Y'all, this is amazing. And like I said, I am so excited to have all of these goodies to make ice cream sundaes, especially with having that Globe In beautiful sundae set. This is absolutely amazing. The presentation of this box was phenomenal, and all of these goodies just sound so delicious. Like, oh my goodness. What do y'all think? Again, even down to the tissue paper having the ice cream scoops on there, and then these sprinkles that are ice cream scoops, I just think are amazing. We have the hot fudge, the caramel, the brownie bowls, the Neapolitan cookies, those amazing sounding the triple berry bars, these gorgeous cake Sickles, the lemon wafer. Oh, I just can't, y'all. This is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to go and make a sundae or like a bowl of ice cream with, or I'm actually looking forward to it the most, a scoop of vanilla ice cream on one of these little berry bars. I think that is going to be amazing. I think all of it's going to be amazing, and my mind is just like blown right now. So Thank you so much again to GiggleBake for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. You guys, let me know what you think down below. I think this is so awesome. It's just going to be so much fun. And like I said, I will put a link to their website down below so you can definitely check them out. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.